Hey everybody, welcome to Real Heat Gaming. Today I'm going to show you how to make splines and birth splines and PANZOID. First, I'm going to start working on the splines. So you're going to create a new shape, make it a wire. Obviously that looks bad, but who cares, man? That don't matter, man. Make these both 10 loops, one thick. Nope, not that much. How does that look? Okay, that doesn't look too good, not gonna lie. Okay, you're gonna want to turn it, no, not that way. You're gonna want to turn it, not that. This thing to 90. And make this stretch something like really long. If you put don't put too much loops. That's kind of way too long. So we want to make the stretch really long and the loops 1. And then if you turn it, or actually you first want to create a new group and put the wire inside it. Make the group scale like 0, and you get that. But every time you turn it, it makes the illusion that it's moving forward, but it's not. It's actually just turning. So let's just say over here you can make it something different like this, and you get a cool wave thing. Did you too bad? It's like 3, 2, 1, or 1,000. You get something like that. That is what we're going for. Now let's actually change the thickness. No. The stretch to something pretty short, like something like that. I think that looks good. Okay, now make this go back like that. Actually, yeah, make it go back like this. And over here, go forward like this, all the way to the other side. And over here, you're gonna add some mirror rotation, like this 360 right here. Okay, now make it minus 720. Damn, it's actually looking pretty good, not gonna lie. It's way better than my other splines. I kind of made this one perfect. This one's perfect actually, not gonna lie. Once you do that, go to the new group. Once it's not in there anymore, make the rotation right here 20. And get something like that. So here it should be like this. Duplicate create a new group. Put it inside the new group. Duplicate the new group 4 times or 3 times. Yeah. Okay, and once you do that, make the rotation of each one 90, 180, 270, now let's add a little drop shadow. So create a new shape, move it back a lot. Move it back a lot and make the size pretty big. I'm gonna make it orange. And you get that. But what we want to get is something else. So create a new group. Put all the other groups inside it. Don't bother my naming, please. Duplicate the new group. It's called a new group spline. Then change the color of each new group to orange, or the color of the background except a bit darker. And copy that hex code, and then make the same for each one. So then all of them should be that color. And paste it. Then move that one group. It's called spline shadow. Move it back. Move it this way. Now once you get that, let's start working on the burst splines. Create a new group. Go to the part where you want it to start and create a rectangle. And make the size something like that. I think that looks good. And something like this. Actually, change it back to 1 and a 1. Change the width and height from here, actually. And go here, add a none, and make this 0 and 0. Change this to none too. 0, 0. And then over here, make it like that, and then you get something like that. And then make this 0. No, that looks bad. Okay. Put that inside the new group. Once it starts, you're gonna put a position thing right here and move it. Nope, not that way. Don't move it forward that way. Move it like this. And nope. Actually, you can ease this also. So figure it out. Then create 2 scales and move it down all the way until you can't see it. And put a circular in. See how that looks? I guess I can live with that. It's not too good. I just noticed I can see this at the side. So let's here. Once it ends, I'm gonna not enable it and enable it here. So then you can kind of see it like that. Okay. Now if you see this spline, we're gonna duplicate it. No, don't duplicate it. Make a new group, put the splines inside it, duplicate the new group 3 times, rotate each one by 90 degrees. And put all the new groups inside it. And then you're going to duplicate the one we just made and rotate it 45 degrees. And make it something like that. What else does it have to do with splines? I think that's it. Now, bye guys, and see you next time.